To enable and use the swipe to call feature on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open phone app and then tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right. Tap setting, scroll down the screen, tap other call settings, and then tap the gray on off switch next to swipe to call or text until the switch on screen to turn it on. To see how it works, go to your contact list or recent call list. Swipe right on a contact to quickly place a call. Using the swipe to call feature can simplify calling by letting you make quick calls with a simple gesture. Whether you are in a hurry or just prefer a faster way to dial, this feature enhances convenience and efficiency in everyday phone use. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.